might not have stated it properly. I actually didn't say that I didn't mean to imply that we simply didn't ask for a recount because of the nature of the system. What I wanted to make you understand is that we wanted to understand the whole thing and then figure out what was the best option for us to get a remedy. So in my view, even as you prepare these petitions, you learn a lot about the system. As you look into the numbers that they provide you, you learn a lot about the system. By the way they respond, you learn a lot about the system. And one of the things that I think Zimbabweans have always been challenging people who are in the opposition is don't just react out of anger. Don't just respond because you feel aggrieved. Because a lot of times, something that can appear as if it's not right, it may just be your misunderstanding of the system. I am totally confident that we truly understand what happened now, and that our best remedy now is to go to the courts. Now, look, I want to challenge those people, the judges who are going to sit on the Constitutional Court. Look, your reputation is going to go beyond this election. It is. You have to make the hard decision to side with truth. The facts are very simple. And you know what? If some of them attempted to rule on the basis of a technicality, think about your children. Think about all the Zimbabwean people who are suffering right now. Think about that. It's really, really important that they judge this on the basis of facts rather than anything else. And again, as I said, look, their reputation is going to follow them beyond this court, this particular incident. And they have got to really think seriously about that, because at the end of the day, I really believe that they will not be able to sustain a result which is inconsistent with the will of the people. The wheels will come off the system, whether they like it or not. So it's really, really important that these judges, on the basis of the facts, we're not asking them to do anything beyond the facts. If, as I say, more people voted at a polling station than were registered there, then there was fraud. They don't even have to look at all these other things, just that simple fact. If there were more people that voted at a polling station than were registered there, then there was fraud. And I don't see how else they can rule. Even if we bring a response to the petition, which is 3,000 pages, it doesn't matter. Even if they invited some of us to go to the ZBC to record something, it doesn't matter. Even if there were instances where it looked like the police were fair, and so it doesn't matter. If more people voted at a polling station than were registered to vote, there was fraud. Yes. Yes.